Hey everyone, Sean Taj here from WHM, and behind me is the 2020 Fiat 500X. The Fiat 500X Sport Edition has character and was more fun and comfortable than I anticipated. This four-door go-kart has a unique and distinct Italian styling all around that gives it an adventurous look. It is the first Fiat vehicle that is available with an all-wheel drive system and comes standard with the 500X. The fun-to-drive small crossover has a 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that gives it 177 horsepower and a peppy 210 pound-feet of torque, which is where all the fun is. The interior is sleek and comfortable and features sport-inspired seating, refined console bezel finishes, as well as a new flat-bottom techno leather steering wheel with Alcantara inserts and paddle shifters. The Fiat 500X sits high with the 18-inch wheels, and being 6'1", I had plenty of room and comfort. This is a great car for zipping around town and commuting to work, and fitting into a parking spot is no longer a problem. The starting MSRP is $26,895, but the model tested here had a sticker price of $35,895. The Fiat 500X Sport is a fresh new alternative in one of the fastest growing segments in the industry, and the only vehicle in its class to have 30 miles per gallon on the highway and standard all-wheel drive. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.